Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Baby Sonia and I'm back again with another video. Hi guys, hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly do not forget to share. I got a new wristwatch guys, and I love the fact that the color is white. I love this wristwatch. Recently life has really been happening to me lately. When I mean life has really not been okay with me. It's just been from one sickness to another. Usually I'm the kind of person that I don't get sick like that. I don't get sick. I usually get sick once in a while. I'm AA plus O positive, and I usually get sick once in a while. But once the sickness hits me, it hits me so badly. When I mean so badly, it hits me so well. If you can tell from my face, even to my neck, you will know that yes, I've macheted. If I stand up now, even the clothes I'm wearing, like I've really macheted, okay? But we thank God for life, we thank God for health, we thank God for seeing another beautiful day. And that is why I thought I should come and share like my update with you guys. I promised you guys earlier this year that we'll be uploading every day on YouTube, and seriously, it was my intention. January was okay, I was uploading back to back. Even some of my friends were calling me and be like, oh girl, you're trying, just keep it up, and they're encouraging me, and I'm so grateful for that. But February came with a different tone. I was really down February, and February has just been back to back sickness and the rest of that. Then me going for my treatment and every other stuff was, it was really not easy for me. At some point I have to even go to my mom-in-law's place, then come back, stuff like that. So yeah, that is why I have not been able to like give you guys those upload back to back February. But I thank God for this month of March. I'm okay now. You don't even have so many videos to upload again because I was not able to vlog. Most of the things that's happening to me, I was not able to vlog. And I think I just have one or two videos, which is the video I did when I got this mic. I got a new mic. I don't know if you guys can see it here like this. Yeah. I got a new mic and I did some vlog. Most of the videos that really went up February were the videos I filmed like ahead. I don't know if you guys get, film them, edit them, and then I uploaded them on YouTube, unlist them. Anytime I want to release, I just released one. Right now I don't even have any. I just have to start filming again all over and over again. And that is why it's actually good for you to do box shooting. Yes, I learned to do box shooting from Ogom series. I don't know if you guys know her. She always talk about box shooting. If you have the time, you just box shoot your content, edit them, and like upload them. And that thing has really helped me. If not, I wouldn't have even been able to like make so much in February. Is it January? I don't even know how to put it here. I wouldn't have even be able to like upload more in February. So if you have the time to box shoot, please do well to also box shoot. It is very important. It is definitely going to help you, okay? And I have a lot of questions about YouTube. Some person say, how can I get the 4,000 watch? How can you do a video about it? Like different questions coming from the video I uploaded on how much I made from 1,000 view video from YouTube, and of which I'm going to be doing all of that video for you guys. I'm going to be answering most of your questions in another video, because definitely it's not going to be in this video. I'm just here to like give some updates, okay? I know that so many persons will not notice that my video had a breach, and if I've not been connecting with you, like watching your videos, for those ones I watch their videos, because on this YouTube street, trust me, it supports, okay? Support is very important here. That's because I have been sick, okay? Sometimes once I just see videos, I just try to like, even when I'm just trying to like play them, watch them, like, I don't know, then I just drop my comment. But the month of February, you guys notice that mostly I've not been able to like watch like so many of my favorite content creators videos. I thank God right now because I'm better. I thank God for life. I thank God because what the enemy planned, or what the devil planned, it didn't get to me, okay? By the special grace of God, we're going to be starting new vlogs and the rest of that. Any type of vlog you guys are seeing, please, you guys should just try and engage. It's not easy. You guys will not know what YouTubers face behind the scene. When I'm uploading video February, nobody will even know that, oh, like she's sick or something like that. You guys will just be seeing video dropping. But it's not easy, seriously. You guys should help us engage in our videos, money making channels. If you guys notice, I've not been really uploading there because that place, Sometimes I don't even remember going there. Sometimes if I just remember going there, I'll just look for something online and just do like a screenshot, do a voiceover about it, and then post so that the channel will actually be active and the rest of that. But my main happiness is that Vibe Sonia is okay now, and Vibe Sonia is back to her feet, and Vibe Sonia is going to be doing all of that droppings for you guys, okay? So yes, that is what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be uploading 1 or 2 videos that I already have in my what they call it, on my phone, because I've not uploaded those ones. Then I'm going to start up new vlog. These vlogs are going to be coming with back-to-back vibes. I'm going out to go and take some of my medications, and I thought I should just share with you guys why I've not been able to like do my usuals. Okay, so anyways, this is me all dressed and set. Let's zip up so you guys see. Your girl has macheted. See, you guys should see me. See your girl. See your girl. Your girl has macheted. See my bumper. My bumper have reduced. See. Anyways, let's start going out. So I have to off this mic, drop this mic, repack this mic. And if I'll be bringing this video to the end, let me just say so be it, because I don't know, I'll try my possible best so that this video will go up tonight, because I don't have any other video. I don't have videos that I'll actually show you guys. Okay, I got this mic that have this, see, it has different. This is for Android phone, and I have the one for the iPhone there, and then Samsung. This mic has really been helpful to me. 99% of my voiceover I did on my How to Make Money channel, I always use this mic. And I think I did a review about it, like unboxing and review. I don't know, but I'll just let you guys know. Okay, so I need to off this mic right now. If you've not subscribed, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yeah, without further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video so that I can turn off this mic. Okay. So this is for iPhone, and this is for Samsung. So this is how the pack is. Then it's like this. Take this. Comes with 2 charger and this. So let's start going out. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy this video. We are done.